What's up, Goon Squad? Good afternoon. Today we're going to be working on this Rubicon, getting it prepped for paint, and we're going to sand this hood. We basically sanded the whole tub of the Jeep. We just got to go around some edges, what we missed. But other than that, there's just a little bit like the hood, and we are going to pull off this rubber around the windshield because this windshield is cracked. It's going to need to get replaced, so we're just going to go ahead and pull this off so we can get a pristine paint job. Just grab it and just start pulling on this thing.
Pull on it.
Try not to rip it because you will be reusing this.
Right, correct.
If you do rip it,
go to the junkyard and pull that one off carefully, but don't really want to rip it. We're gonna try this side. That side wasn't really going as planned. I wonder if this is an OEM windshield. Can't really tell, but I doubt it.
you might have to buy a new one of them rubbers.
Yeah, it's looking like it.
That's what I noticed.
You may be able to reuse it. It's not cooperating. Probably gonna have to order a new one. I want to break that. That's one of them navigation mirrors. Tells you northeast, southwest.
Something like that.
Ooh, he got it. Now we can pop this off. And that seal is out. I believe we ruined the outer seal, so we will have to order a new one. This windshield we can get in pretty soon also, can't we?
Yeah.
Are we gonna call dude out here, or are we gonna order one online?
I'm gonna order one and put it in myself. I ain't scared.
So this is gonna be a first for a windshield exchange, but I think it's gonna be pretty simple. I mean, it's just a Jeep. We gotta finish off wet sanding. There's still a good bit to sand. It's a little bit better daylight. So now we're gonna lift up this hard top. We're gonna put a gap right there so we don't hit it while we're sanding this edge, and we also gotta sand the edge under there. So we got 2x4s, got about 3 of them. So we're gonna put one left, right, and also up front so we can sand that windshield frame right there. Or yeah, we might just drop the whole top. I guess we're just dropping the top. Now for this part of the process, we gotta be real careful. We do not want to damage this hard top. We will eventually buff this hard top to get that extra glamour, that spark, and that sheen. I don't want to shine, I want to sheen. No, we're gonna get it shined up. That's that. Let's get back to this tub here. So what I was saying is we gotta sand here. Right? We gotta sand right there?
Yeah, up underneath there.
That's gonna be the tape line right there. We're not gonna paint that. I'm gonna be doing a couple final touches and sanding this windshield frame while he's gonna be sanding down this hood cowl. So we're going to get something to eat right now, and we're just cruising with the top off. It looks like it's not gonna rain, so we're good. We got a Jeep in the back there, so we're gonna do a little Jeep wave to them. Sprite on both of them. Give me a quesadilla. What? Go to,
How much y'all want for this? Can y'all give me some money?
go to Lisa's Golden Diamond and see if they want to take that ruby right there.
That garment.
That garnet.
Garment or garnet?
Garnet.
This is the spot. This is our house. Welcome to our house.
Welcome to the cribbo, guys. Got cannonballs, all sorts of goods. All right, let's see what we got here. Got a Krabby Patty. Got a tortilla. And some fries. Oh, and don't forget the sauce. Back at the house here. So we're almost done wet sanding. We got a few more sections. So he's adding some, what is that called? Some
glazing putty to fill in the little chips and whatnot so the paint will be smooth when we paint it.
All right, we got the body man in. Just called him up. Now, what do you call that device there?
This is just a body hammer with some, I don't know what this is called.
Piece of iron.
Toe dolly. It just helps it from getting it better straight. Sand it, throw a little bit of primer, and paint it.
And that's about it for the body work. I thought there was gonna be more, but
the professional came out here.
right there, we called him the professional and got that taken care of. So we're just spraying all the bare metals that were exposed.
Don't rust.
Yeah, so it just prevents it from rusting and to just keep that paint preserved when we throw a fresh coat on it. So that helps a lot, that self-etching primer. And we're getting super close yet again. It's been a good bit of work sanding it. I think this is the most time-consuming part of the project.
It's the most important part to a perfect paint job.
Right, the prep
Yep.
work. So getting close, guys, getting close. Last thing here is to sand this grill. We added some putty here just to get any imperfections that are left behind. We got all the rest of the stuff sanded. So everything back here is prepped for paint, but it's looking pretty good. It's looking smooth. We got any exposed metal taken care of. Geometry.
Getting it perfect down in the middle.
That's the center there. We got a hole saw that's gonna cut that right out for us. What size is it? Do you remember what size hole saw that is? 4 inch, 3 inch?
No idea.
I'm about to find out. The 4.5 inch hole saw. Well, that turned out great. But you see why we did it before we painted it is because it throws a bunch of little sharp.
And you want to go ahead and just when you sand this down and throw paint, so
Right, so it don't rust and it looks, you know, proper. Flawless. Good. Let's get this side.
This side you got to be more careful because there's the evap down there.
Gotta be a lot more careful, yeah.
No going back now.
There's no going back.
I mean, I can just
You
weld
can weld
that
it back.
'cause I'm a good welder.
Yo, let's make a flying saucer or a ninja.
A saucer. Woo. See, that's
Hey.
why you don't want to do it.
Before you,
Yeah.
before you paint it. Or do it before you paint it. That's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look great. That's a wrap, guys. If you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Also, guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now. We'll put that right here.
Yep.
Follow me there because you do get the inside scoop before YouTube.
Check out the links in the description for our GoFundMe, our Patreon. Become one if you really want to help us out. We'll appreciate that.
Check out goonsquad.com to copy you a shirt, copy you a hat to support your boys. We're about sold out of the hats. I believe we only got the gold, but I'm gonna reorder and get some more hats here soon. We're also gonna have some decals coming soon, guys. We've been working on that, so stay tuned. Be sure to check out goonsquad.com.
Today we got a lot of work done. We basically finished the sanding process on this Jeep.
I know you guys are excited to see this thing painted. We are very excited also, guys, so you're gonna have to stay tuned, turn on your post notifications, and this thing's gonna be looking fresh here soon. We'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.
You know